Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? This is Patty coming to you once again. I hope everybody is well. I thank you so much for your support, all of your love, and all that you do for me. I am so grateful to you all. But I want to show you my unboxing. My birthday is on the 4th, so I gifted myself a new iPad. I have two. Well, one is mine and one is Tyler's, actually. And I got a new one today. And it has 256 gigs. So I'm happy about that. It is the 9th generation. Came out 2021. The guy told me it's the latest one out. So I just want you guys to see what I gifted myself, and I'm going to pull the plastic off. As you can see, I've started, and I'll come back. Tyler is pulling the plastic. I bought a glass screen protector. It is a 10.2, and I bought the smart keyboard to go with it. And Tyler suggested that I get the keyboard since I'm always sitting at the table looking and looking and supporting. He said, I think you need the keyboard. So my other one did not have a keyboard, but this one does. I mean, it was separately, but I said I may as well buy it. So yeah, guys, I want you all to see. Tyler's going to set everything up. And he's opening it now for me so I can share this moment with you guys. And I think I'm going to order the outer box from Amazon because it will be a little bit cheaper. Okay, here it is. Pull that up. And turn it over. Turn it over. Turn it over. Oh, it is on the right side. Okay, let me let you get a good look. Here it is. Let's see the back side of it. And it is the iPad, Apple. Let's get is this the charger under here?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So we're gonna get the charger. What is this? This is the charger. So we will remove that. Charger. And this is something. And of course, this is the pad and the screen protector. And we will come back. Are you gonna put it right here?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're going to put the screen protector on it first, I think. Okay. There it is, guys. I'm so excited about this. This is my gift to myself. I said, why not? You only live once, and might as well enjoy and get what you want. So I think you probably need to put the screen protector on before you hook that up.
Okay.
Okay, let's put the screen protector on. And I will come right back when we get that all opened and let you guys see what's going on. And the light you see right there, that's my ceiling chandelier. So that's what you see in the top there. Okay, guys, I will be right back. Okay, guys, here's my new iPad all set up. Tyler got me set up, so I'm up and running and ready to go. And my other iPad that I've been working on, I'll still be using it, but I will be using this one more because I have more gigs and everything. So I'm so excited about this new device. I really needed it, and I have a desktop computer that I am going to take to the shop and let the computer man do some things with it. But I just wanted to bring you guys in and show you what I have going on here. So guys, I thank you so much for hopping on, and I will talk to you on the next exciting video. Have a great day. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. Please like, give me the thumbs up, ring the notification bell, and make comments. I really appreciate you all. Have a great day. I'll talk to you guys soon.